Hi everyone, this is Anais over at ATAB Insurance Services. I wanted to take a moment to thank our friends, family, and customers for all of their support this year. We've made a lot of changes at the agency and will be hitting the ground running in 2018. Our goal as an agency is to serve as a resource to our clients and to bridge the knowledge gap between consumers and insurance agents. So many policyholders are misinformed about what their policy covers, and we want to put the power back in your hands so that you can make these important financial decisions with ease. With this blog and video series, we'll be answering the most asked questions about insurance. To be sure we address your specific concerns, please complete our 30-second survey below, or leave a comment on this video, or even send us a direct message with any topics or questions that you want to be covered. Please like us on Facebook, follow our YouTube channel, follow our blog on our website to be sure to keep up with all of our agency happenings. To start off the blog series, I want to answer a question that we get all the time at the agency. How much auto liability insurance do I really need? Well, there are two answers to that question. The short answer is whatever the minimum liability requirements are in the state that you live in. In Texas, the minimum liability requirements are a split limit of $30,000, $60,000, and $25,000. The first two limits address bodily injury liability. This means if you get into an accident that's your fault and the other party sustains bodily injury, your insurance company will pay up to a maximum of $30,000 for each person that's injured in the accident. However, it will pay a maximum of $60,000 for all parties that are injured in the accident. So for instance, if 3 individuals are injured in an accident, the insurance company will cap out at $60,000 in damage payments for all 3 of them, regardless of how much their individual medical bills came out to. The third limit addresses property damage liability. This means if you cause damage to another vehicle, your insurance company will pay up to $25,000 to repair or replace that vehicle. Now, with these limits, the best case scenario if you get into an accident is if the bodily injury damages for any one individual is far less than $30,000 and that the value of the vehicle that you damage is less than $25,000. With the rising costs of medical care and the number of cars on Texas roads that are worth well over $25,000, it is apparent that these limits do not provide adequate coverage in the event of an accident. Just imagine getting into an accident with this guy. Pretty sure he won't go easy on you. This brings me to the second answer to our question. How much auto liability insurance do I need? From the example I just gave, you can see that it really depends on how much risk you want to take on. If you choose to purchase a policy with the minimum liability insurance limits, you better be prepared to face a potential lawsuit in the event of an accident. Once your policy limits are exhausted, the other party is going to come after you and your assets to pay for the remainder of their damages. The last thing you want to do is find yourself in a legal battle that's riddled with emotional and financial distress. So then the question becomes, well, how much will my insurance premium go up if I increase my liability limits? Most of the time, the difference is only about $10 a month. That's literally the cost of your morning coffee. It's a small price to pay for the peace of mind that it provides. Please contact our office today or fill out the quote request form on our website so that we can shop around for the right auto insurance policy for you. Thanks for tuning in today, guys. We hope you enjoy the rest of this holiday season, and we look forward to serving you in 2018.